Hello everyone, my name is Hein Hellemons. I'm the worldwide sales leader for cloud at VMware. And I'm here today with Merrie Williamson. Merrie is the VP at Microsoft for infrastructure and applications. And we're going to talk today about the strategic partnership between Microsoft and VMware and our joint solution, Azure VMware Solution, AVS. Merrie, welcome today.
Thank you, Hein. It's great to be here. We really, really value our partnership.
Awesome. So Merrie, let's talk about AVS. Is there any early feedback you've heard from the customers on AVS?
Well, obviously my role is to speak regularly with customers. We know 2020 has been a really bumpy year for many. A lot of what we're hearing from customers is that rapid need to respond to the compounding social, economic, and technical factors. And whether it's about increasing efficiency, saving money, modernizing the future, all of these things, they come to Microsoft and we bring them through these journeys. So with AVS, we are really excited about how AVS plays into that journey. Simply put, AVS, the Azure VMware Solution, enables customers to run VMware natively on Azure. It's a great way to migrate or extend to the cloud with little cost, risk, and complexity.
That's awesome, Merrie. And, when I listen to you, I hear acceleration, I hear speed, I hear clouds, and I hear hybrid cloud. So, definitely it resonates with us at VMware, where we're trying to, move our customers faster to the future, leveraging, the cloud and the hybrid cloud. And clearly AVS does that. Like you said, AVS offers our customers consistent infrastructure, operations, and tools, what they're used to compared to their on-prem infrastructure. And so that drives speed and acceleration and a better TCO. Maybe a really good relevant example is a recent win for us together is a big pharmaceutical company. And clearly in the current climate where we are, they have to do everything possible to accelerate their business into the clouds and into the hybrid clouds. They selected AVS and we have helped them to speed up their transformation and scale their business. Now, that's a great example, Merrie. I know you have many other customer examples. Are there a few you can share with us?
Yeah, I would be happy to. One of my first customers that we've been talking to for a while has made fantastic progress. A large enterprise business with 50,000 employees, a multinational company. And what was really interesting to them, and we've moved great progress through their globally distributed business. So they really needed AVS to play a part of that global distribution and multiple geographies. They also wanted to move quickly. They wanted to move faster than their traditional IaaS methodologies. And we were able to do that to accelerate their migration from, in many cases, many months and a lot of the complexity from IaaS, which was more in terms of weeks. And then we had new capabilities. The customer was able to approach a better and more robust DR strategy, improving their overall IT resiliency and reliability. So we just hit a lot of really important key deliverables for that customer. And then we learned from there and applied it to other customers. We have a large Canadian customer in the energy business, and AVS for them was part of a larger cohesive strategy. So it was the VMware parts of their estate and the IaaS and PaaS pieces as well. And they're looking at both of us to really help lead through that transition. They wanted to leverage their base of Microsoft workloads and their knowledge of VMware and really benefit from those joint investments, and saw fantastic financial benefits from Microsoft's ESU and Azure hybrid use benefits, and it provided them a great TCO. They also, as well, got a faster migration and time to value, similar to the other customer. I have a third customer, if you want to hear about it, of manufacturing. Yeah, I could go on and on. Manufacturing customer. So we've hit a lot of different industries as well. But this one is really similar in a lot of folks that we're talking to around the world right now. They're looking at data center exit strategies and really how that's part of that modernization and almost drive in a post-COVID world to go faster in that modernization. So with 5 data centers, you can imagine there's high tech debt, there's security concerns, But moving fast was critical because they had those events to drive towards. So not only did we bring all of the other values we mentioned with the other customers, but we used this program called the Azure Migration Program to help bring all of these resources in a packaged and ready way so that they could move their migration faster. And that was really successful. And again, they were moving in weeks with AVS. So it was fantastic to see.
Super impressive, Merrie. Great customer examples. And it's great to hear that these examples are, across different industries and complex use cases. So it's really good to see the customer, leveraging AVS here to scale their business. Now, we have spoken now about AVS, but let's talk about our strategic partnership between Microsoft and VMware. And, that got, by the way, recently validated because Microsoft won the VMware Global Technology Innovation Partner Award of the Year. Which is awesome. So Merrie, congrats on that, on the award. But can you share some perspective from your point of view on the partnership between our two companies?
Oh yeah, I'd love to talk about this because really it's something that the customers need and the industries need. Microsoft and VMware have been partnering with IT leaders for decades and building what is a lot of their footprint on-prem. So as they look to technology trusted partners to help them decide where to go, we're coming with them together. And that really is, I think, a testament of how we've invested in this joint partnership. It's come a long way. It's been extremely positive to see that grow at all levels. We have, as you know, Hein, our executive leaders meet. They are thoughtful in the way we come together. Our engineering teams are working side by side through our development. Our joint go-to-market offers are really looking at an around the world and global customer engagement experience. And of course, we can't leave out our sales teams who are now working really closely together.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's a very special relationship, Merrie, and very strategic. Now, if we go back to, customer and their adoption of AVS. So far, what have you seen as some of the core benefits which draws our customers to AVS?
Well, when I talk to customers, obviously I start talking about Azure. And really for us, when we're showing up with empathy for the customers, it's really about choice, flexibility, our long-term investment, and thinking about the hybrid journey that our customers are on. The organizations want that holistic journey and want to move at the pace that makes sense for their business. And so rather than look at a cloud-only model, we're looking at that end-to-end. Obviously, most customers have that imprint of VMware and really, really strategic investments on top of their VMware stack. And so now that we're able to bring the value of cloud, that infrastructure and flexibility and economics of the cloud, we really are bringing some easy choices of how to modernize quickly. And then as you modernize over time, you can connect those services to other Azure services to improve upon and grow the innovation from that VMware base of workloads. And of course, we want to continue to offer great TCO benefits through cost efficiencies with our Azure hybrid benefits, our ESUs for existing Microsoft workloads. We think that whole picture is just really received well by customers and meets them where they are.
That's great, Merrie, and exactly what I hear from our customers. In all the customer discussions I have, and so overall, it's great to see that our joint solution is helping our customers to accelerate their cloud and hybrid cloud journey. Now, Merrie, if I'm a customer and I'm listening to this, and I want to start with AVS for my IT transformation, where do I start? What do you recommend, Merrie?
If you're a customer with VMware investments and you have Microsoft workloads, AVS is ideal. Double down on maximizing those investments together. Connect with your Microsoft or VMware rep. We have an amazing team of solution experts on both sides that are working together to guide you through this kind of journey. Alternately, you can check out more details on the benefits, technical information, and demos on the Azure website. We also want to underscore, check out our programs. These are publicly available programs like the Azure Migration Program that show you not just the product value prop, but how we invest with you to bring you to the cloud.
That's great stuff, Merrie. And to summarize here, what we have discussed today is we've spoken about AVS and what are the core benefits. We have spoken about the market excitement and what are the benefits to our customers. Then, the winning partnership between Microsoft and VMware and the strategy between the two companies. And then Merrie just explained how you can get started if you're interested. So Merrie, with that, do you have any closing remarks?
I've got to say, thank you, Hein. Thank you to the entire VMware team, the sales partners that we've developed great relationships with the last year or two. I'm really excited about how Azure's VMware solution can help and simplify the cloud journey for our shared customers.
Well, thank you very much, Merrie. It's great. It's always great to partner together. So on behalf of Merrie and myself, thank you very much for listening to us today to learn about the Microsoft VMware partnership and our joint solution. And for that, thank you all and stay safe. Bye-bye.